Please like and subscribe and comment below. This is what my daughter painted on the outside of the beehive, the new one that we're putting up. It says "Don't worry, be happy," and she painted the hand lettering freehand and the bee freehand just from her head. That's what my oldest daughter did. And then my wife did the beach scene with the hammock, with the bee flying over the hammock. And I did the mermaid tail. My wife touched it up and made a little trillicues and a little starfish and the seashells. And my youngest daughter, this is her bee scene. See the pretty clouds and the grass and the flowers, sunshine. It's really good. And my wife did this one too. So it's got flower scenes and stuff all around it. We decided to make this a little unique. Little unique box. Just to be a little different. The paint that was used, I think I got all this at Hobby Lobby. It's acrylic. There's different ones. A lot of these we got the girls for Christmas. Little painter deal. My wife's cleaning up right now. So this is what they normally look like. So right now it's the afternoon and these things are swarming like crazy. So I'm over here with no shirt on and in shorts, probably a crazy thing to do, but see. The bees are having a good old time. Put some water down there for them too. It's pretty relaxing actually, watching these bees fly in and out. Alright, I'll take you back here in the back and show you where we're going to set up at. So this is the hive that's going into that we're going to be putting into the hive that we just painted. It's not quite as vigorous. This one's been out of the sun for a minute. It's behind this building, so it's in the shade. It's been in the shade for the past couple hours. But they're still working. It's only one box, so I'm going to be moving that over tonight. I hope it'll probably be too dark to do a video. Maybe I'll do a video in the morning. Another complete setup. This is stuff that I've been cutting on, and I think I worked more this weekend than I have in a long time. So this is it. I went and got some regular 2x6s at Lowe's and 2 cinder blocks. And I set it up. It's not level. It's about it's like having a 3/4 inch tilt, so 3/4 inch difference between the front and back. So this is facing due south, so south is this way, east is that way. So I'm gonna face these due south. Hopefully they do all right. Most of the storms come out of from the west going east. Anyway, so that's a 8-foot long 2x6, and we're going to put one hive over top of this brick, and the other hive's going to go over top of that brick. And I got these box elder beetles everywhere right now this year, so if any of y'all know how to get rid of box elders, or just kind of run them off, I don't really care to kill them. It'd be awesome to post in the comments. So this right here is just it's like the plant mat, so that it keeps, like you put in your garden to keep weeds from coming up. We put that down first, so that way we don't have to mow around them. It should be about 5 foot of space between the two. So we'll see how it does. Like I said, I'll do a video probably tomorrow morning once we get it all set up and everything. Remember, please like and subscribe.